The best dashcams are the perfect example of how a small thing can save you a lot of problems. Roads are dangerous places, and there's no telling whether the drivers around you are paying attention or not. The last thing you need is for them to cause an accident and try to pin the blame on you. In these instances, the dashcam becomes an invaluable tool. Whether the accident is your fault or not, that recording doesn't lie. That can save you from an expensive insurance claim in the worst cases, and you'll have videos of terrible drives to show your friends or the internet. The best dashcams provide important evidence if you're involved in a crash and emergency assistance in times of need. 1. Garmin Dashcam 67W. This Garmin Dashcam 67W is a refresh of the 66W, our previous favorite model, now including new features like live view monitoring to check your car remotely and a parking guard feature to alert you to parking lot pranks. We think that the Garmin Dashcam 67W is a truly excellent dashcam that is compact and easy to use, with a good set of useful features, and records top-quality video. When we tested this dashcam, we loved the super simple installation and the intuitive voice control features. It wasn't the cheapest dashcam we found, but it is a top-notch one that does everything without being needlessly complicated. We even found the mounting system super simple. 2. Nextbase 622 GW. The 622 GW can record video in 4K, 120 FPS, built-in image stabilization to ensure you have silky smooth recordings, an extreme weather mode, and a polarizing filter that will minimize reflections that would otherwise spoil your film. But on top of that, it also packs in Alexa voice controls, enhanced night vision, a parking mode that senses collisions when you're parked up, and an emergency SOS service that contacts first responders in the event that the driver is unable to do it themselves. What 3 words integration also ensures they know exactly where you are, down to a 3-meter area. 3. King Slim D4. The King Slim packs a ton of features in a sleek and low-profile package and is one of the best value for dollar dashcams that we've ever experienced. It features a wide 170-degree field of view from a Sony Starvis sensor and a 150-degree rear Full HD, 1080p, camera that can also be wired to function as a reverse camera. Plus, a 3-inch IPS panel high-definition touchscreen, support for up to 256 GB of storage, accident detection, parking monitoring and smartphone connectivity come included. It is an incredibly hard bargain to beat. 4. Rove R2 to 4K. You could spend hundreds of dollars on a dashcam, or you can spend tens. This one falls near the middle, which means it's full of features but won't cost the equivalent of a car payment. Its Ultra HD camera can capture images up to 2160p resolution, and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS can track your route on the free Rove app or on Google Maps. It has a 150-degree wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture, plus parking mode, motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency lock, time-lapse, and slow-motion capabilities. The Sony STARVIS sensor ensures night vision video in clear detail. 5. Rexing V1 with a 170-degree viewing angle recording 2160p HD video and a supercapacitor designed to handle temperatures from -20 to 166 degrees Fahrenheit. The wedge-shaped Rexing V1 is one of the best values in dashcams. It includes GPS functionality via Google Maps, plus a parking monitor, loop recording, G-sensor, and Wi-Fi connectivity. 6. Nexar Pro. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexar Pro is a dual-cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexar app is central to the twin camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexar bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging.